I've been with the system since 2003.
2003, my goodness. And you should be an expert about all that's Henry Ford.
I should.
Probably know most of everything about Henry Ford, and I'm sure you'll be able to answer these questions pretty simply.
Try.
So being here 7 years should qualify you as an expert about everything that's Henry Ford.
I'd like to think so.
Because you've been here for a while, I'd ask you a few questions about Henry Ford.
Okay.
So I'm going to also show you some pictures of some people and want to know if you know who they are.
Okay.
How about this person? You probably know this individual.
I believe that is Gwen Nam.
Gwen Nam, excellent, excellent. Where does she look like she works? What department do you think she's working in?
Somewhere up in the C-suite that I don't go very often, I'll tell you that.
Exactly. You work for a living, you
Correct.
don't go up to the C-suite.
Yeah,
That's
I don't know
exactly
this
right.
I think is her name Nancy? Is that it?
Nancy. And
She's the head of the nurses. I know that.
you might have some inkling of who this is.
She
Who
looks
is this?
vaguely familiar. It looks like Ronnie Hall.
Ronnie Hall.
You know, you're going to score higher on this than you did during your MedCats. Now, I have one other here, and this might be a little bit easier for you.
Yes.
And who is this gentleman?
That gentleman is Dan Murakami.
I don't know, but it seems like I'm doing quite well. If only my med school exams were this easy. I don't know who this is either.
This
Dan.
is Dan Murakami. He is head of facilities. Tell me which department this person works in.
I think she's one of our clinical nurse specialists.
Yes, you only wish.
Yes, I only wish. I don't believe she is one of our employees either.
She is not. This is Beyonce. Tell me what department this individual works at.
I don't know.
But does he look like a physician to you, or a doctor, or an administrator?
Administrator.
Looks like an administrator. I think you're probably pretty close to the truth on that one.
It has something to do with California at this point in time, but wonderful Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. I actually do have one person that we're going to have to show you. One final person. What department does this person work in?
Oh my goodness. I am not sure.
You probably have seen him around.
I have seen him around.
Yeah.
Definitely have seen him around, but not sure.
You said not neurology.
Yeah, not
and
neurology and not cardiology. But what department does he work in?
Well, I'm going to go ahead and say pulmonology.
Pulmonology. He kind of looks like a pulmonologist.
He does.
Does he look like a cardiologist or a kidney doctor or?
A cardiologist.
Cardiologist. Well, he sort of is.
I don't know the name.
What department do you think? Does he look like a cardiologist, a researcher?
No, he looks like someone who would be in media.
He's not a neurologist, not a cardiologist, and not a surgeon. So what department does he work in?
Research?
You are the second person who said he's research. And he is actually a researcher. He is Charlie Watts, who's the drummer of the Rolling Stones.
Oh,
Thanks for joining Doc and the D. You
no
did
problem.
great.
Thank you.